So let's start with our mandala today. Here I have a A4 size sheet and a ruler. So you begin with marking the center of the paper. Once you have marked the center of the paper, I'm going to draw a line through this. Now using a protractor, I'm going to mark all the angles around this, basically 360 degrees, and I would be using a distance of 10 degrees each to mark this around. The radiuses are mentioned in the video for your reference. So for the core, I'm going to make small petals, which would be basically made between two angles, and I'm using a thickness 0.5 to make them. So I start from the middle and then just come down. Now I have this Marpet compass in which you can actually put the pen inside and make a circle. If you don't have it, you can just do it freehand. And I'm going to fill up this space which is in between with a 0.8. Next, I'm going to do vertical lines over here. I'm using a 0.05, which is the thinnest tip that's available. This brand called Marvi, they do have a 0.03 also, but it's almost as fine as the Brustro 0.05 or Micron pigment liner 0.05. Here I will be doing the zigzag or the triangular pattern. When you're doing this, please feel free to keep turning the paper. I feel that I find it easier actually when I'm turning the paper, because then my hand is stable and I'm not really going all the way around and coming into awkward positions to do that. And inside I'm just doing a dot and a line inside. Here I'm going to do the U's that I showed. And I will then fill up this gap. once I'm done drawing all of them. Here I'll be doing the arches. Inside I'm going to fill it up with the fishbone or herringbone or the normal vein pattern. So that's complete, and now I'm going to do a little pattern inside this because that's still left incomplete. So I'm just going to do another circle and a semicircle inside. Again, I'm using the same point, not the point, the 0.3 thickness pen. And now I'm going to fill it in with horizontal lines. Again, you can omit this step if this is too fine for you, or you can fill it in with any other pattern as you wish. Here I'm going to do a small circle and then this pattern. So there, the mandala is almost complete. All we have to do is now erase all these pencil marks and clean up our mandala and page. So there we have our mandala complete. You could also fill in these gaps, or if you want to use color, you can use color pencils and color up all the white spaces. It's really up to you and what you prefer. And this is a very basic mandala, but I hope this inspires you to start trying drawing. If you have any questions, drop me a message or DM me. I'll be happy to help you out.